Hey everyone, did you know that European markets plummeted by a staggering 8% today? That's the biggest drop we've seen since the financial crisis of 2008. Stick around because we're diving deep into what's happening and why you should care. Introduction. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something that's shaking up the financial world, the crash of European markets. This isn't just another bad day on Wall Street, this is a major event that could have ripple effects across the globe. In this video, we're going to break down the reasons behind this crash, what it means for investors and businesses, and how it might affect the economy moving forward. So, grab a snack, settle in, and let's get into the nitty-gritty of today's market meltdown. Presentation of problem/challenge. So, what exactly led to this catastrophic drop? Well, there are a few key factors that we need to consider. First, there are ongoing geopolitical tensions that have been brewing for a while now. The conflict between major European nations has investors on edge, leading to uncertainty in the market. On top of that, we've seen some alarming economic indicators lately. Inflation rates are skyrocketing, and interest rates are being hiked to combat that. This is making it more expensive for businesses to borrow money, and when companies can't get the funds they need, they can't grow, which causes stock prices to tumble. Additionally, let's not forget about the ongoing aftermath of the pandemic. Many industries are still struggling to recover, and supply chain issues are far from resolved. When we combine these factors, it's no wonder that investors are panicking and pulling their money out of the market. It's like a perfect storm of economic stressors all hitting at once, and unfortunately, the markets are feeling it hard. Exploration/development. Now, let's dive a little deeper into the implications of this crash. For investors, this is a wake-up call. Many might be looking at their portfolios and thinking about how to best protect their assets. A market drop like this could mean significant losses for those who are heavily invested in European stocks. But it's not just individual investors who are affected. Businesses are going to feel the pinch as well. With the market in free fall, companies may start to rethink their expansion plans, cut costs, or even lay off employees. This could lead to a slowdown in economic growth, which is the last thing we want right now. And what about the global economy? Well, when European markets crash, it sends shockwaves through the international financial system. Investors worldwide will be watching closely, and if they see the European market struggling, they might start pulling back their investments in other regions too. This could lead to a domino effect, causing economic slowdowns in places like the US and Asia as well. It's like a game of Jenga, and right now, someone just pulled the bottom piece out. Climax/key moment. Let's talk about a pivotal moment that really exacerbated the crash today. Around mid-morning, one of the major European banks reported unexpectedly poor earnings, which sent their stock price tumbling. This news hit the markets like a ton of bricks. Investors started to panic, fearing that if one bank was struggling, others might be in the same boat. This led to a massive sell-off, and within hours, the entire market was reeling. It's not just about one bank, it's about the confidence of investors as a whole. When trust in the financial system starts to waver, it can lead to widespread fear and drastic measures. Conclusion/summary. So, to wrap things up, today's European market crash is a complex issue fueled by geopolitical tensions, economic indicators, and the ongoing impact of the pandemic. We've seen how one major event can trigger a chain reaction, leading to significant losses for investors and businesses alike. The future remains uncertain, and while some analysts suggest this could be a temporary setback, others warn of a more prolonged downturn. It's crucial to keep an eye on developments and consider how these changes might impact your finances and investments. Call to action, CTA, what do you think about today's market crash? Are you worried, or do you see it as a buying opportunity? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're interested in more insights and updates on the economy, don't forget to check out my other videos. Hit that subscribe button and join our community for all the latest news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.